All right, now we're going to talk about what happens in polynomial division when there's a remainder. Before we get into a polynomial, let's just consider if we had two numbers, like 17 divided by 3. We know 3 goes into 17 5 times with a remainder of 2, since 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. We could also write that as 5 and 2 thirds. So we take the remainder and we divide it by the divisor. And we could just check real fast. We know that 3 groups of 5 would make 15, plus 2 would make 17, and 17 divided by 3. So just one more time, we know that we put the remainder over the divisor. We're going to do the same thing with polynomial division. So here is the polynomial that we're going to divide. We're going to divide using the area model, as we've studied before. Since this is a cubic polynomial divided by a linear polynomial, we know that the answer is going to be quadratic, and our box is going to be 2 rows and 3 columns. And just like before, we're going to go through and fill out all the boxes. I'm going to do that quickly. If you need a more slow version, you can go back and watch one of the previous videos. And we're going to see what happens when we get towards the end. So at this point, we've filled out our box, and we see that our constant in our area model is 2, but in our original polynomial, it was 7, which means that we have a remainder out here of 5, since 5 plus 2 is what's going to give us 7. So again, we've divided with the area model, we've gotten a polynomial as our quotient, but we have a remainder. And just like we did with the numbers, we're going to put that remainder over the divisor here, x plus 2. So our quotient is now 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus that remainder of 5 over x.